Hello, and welcome to the assembly guide for the Valerie solid wood bench. As you open and unpack the box, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. Even if your box is damaged, it doesn't mean the product is damaged, and we offer free replacement parts if something is broken or missing. Our furniture is both 100% solid wood and 100% sourced from renewable forests in Brazil. A downloadable PDF of the assembly instructions is available for download on the products page on grainwoodfurniture.com. Ensure the pilot holes on the legs are facing toward the middle of the bench.